So as I said, you want to label your parts and at least keep them very organized. These are really old hinges, but just to keep costs down, we're reusing the hinges. So when you take the hinges off, make note of the different types of screws that you have. So these really, really little screws typically will go right here for this to attach it to the door, and then the bigger screws will attach the door to the cabinet. So keep your screws nice and separated. These screws are for the handles, the hardware handles. But yeah, so these are really in rough shape, these old hinges from, you know, previous owners, and, you know, just, I don't know, they're probably 20 years old, but they still work. So we're going to repurpose them, and they'll be fine for now. So here I am installing the hardware back on the lower cabinets so that the kitchen cabinets will be right back to normal before we even started. So everything will be fully functional again. You want to just be careful with the screwdriver not to scratch your paint as you're installing this back together. And I think the outcome was really nice. I am happy with the color. I like the lower cabinets. They look really great. We're going to put different lighting in with new recessed cans, but I think overall this is a nice color, and the new wall color will go really nicely with this gray. I'm happy. So the kitchen cabinet remodel is done. The next thing I'll be doing is the walls. We'll give it a nice fresh coat of paint. I touched up some of the areas that needed some spackle. And then we'll proceed with the countertops and maybe a backsplash. I'm not really sure. Like I said, this is a work in progress with kids working in the same kitchen. So we're just taking it one step at a time. I hope you're motivated to do something on your own kitchen.